Alright guys, here we are at the 2014 Walla Summer Demolition Derby. Right now, the show starts at 1. Right now they're just introducing everybody. Here we are. I got Mia. I got Max. We got some curly fries. We got some cotton candy. We got some soda. And we're ready for the show.
Y'all, this year, they are Walla Fair and Frontier Days royalty. These ladies do a lot of work for us. They make a lot of appearances, attend a lot of parades and community events. First out on the track is Allie Key. Allie is an 18-year-old daughter of Brian and Marianne Key of Milton Freewater. She's been showing at the Walla Fair and Frontier Days since she was 6 years old. And the money she earns from the livestock auctions will help her achieve her goal of attending Oregon State University to study wildlife management. Next we have Princess Brittany. Brittany is the 19-year-old daughter of Sean and Isla Cramelin of Milton Freewater. She's been showing cattle at the Walla Fair and Frontier Days for the past 8 years. Brittany graduated in 2013 and is currently attending Blue Mountain Community College, working towards her degree in the radiology field as an ultrasound technician. And the third lady we have out here is your Queen Bethany. Bethany Boss is the 18-year-old daughter of Edward and Zinda Boss of Walla Walla. She grew up on a small farm in the outskirts of town where her family raises miniature and Tennessee walking horses, cows, and goats. She has shown at the Walla Fair and Frontier Days since she was 3 years old. She just graduated from the Walla High School on Friday and plans on attaining a degree in massage therapy. Big round of applause for your Walla Fair and Frontier Days royalty. Next we have car number 22. Give it up for car number 105. Car number 175. How about car number 17? Get loud for car number 61. Car number 93. Car number 32. How about the blue car number 65? And car number 95.
I think 105 won.
All right,
105.
Right there, stand down on the end.
I think the purple one won.
The black car number 95. We're going to work our way from the black car down. We've narrowed it down to 3 cars. The first car we're going to start out with is the black car. To your left stand, car number 95. Right there in front of you stand, the next car is number 65. Now wait, make your way all the way down to that purple car.
It's going to be that one.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about car number 105? I think we've got our winner, car number 105. That's an awesome looking race car you got out there. Great job.
That one won.
All right, Jeremy, let's go and fire them up. Nicely done. Car number 67, Edward Ellis Jr. And your heat races, we're going to go 7 laps for our heat races. We're going to send them around one time on a slow lap, get them all lined up, and stand off later like them. We will
59. 59 is getting stuck.
Looks like we might have to go around again.
I think 59 is stuck.
67 can push you out if you want to. Here he comes. Stick that puppy in neutral. He'll give you a sub out the gate.
He broke down. It's okay. He tried. There he goes. Okay, come back around again.
Again, let's get lined up. Nice and even, door to door, nose to tail. If our flagger stand likes it, he'll cut him loose.
So nobody's gonna win. Come on, Kyle.
But he had it. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, that was close. lost his tires. He lost his tire, the black one.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was Heat Race number 4, sponsored by Airport Walla. Your winner in car number 32. In car number 12, Kimberly Jordan. In car number 22 is Michelle Lewis. In car number 61 is Robin Sullivan. Car number 34, Jamie Sasser. Car number 0 is Lori Hewitt.
There she is. That's Lori, the one in the black. That one right there. Yeah.
Your friend that works with
Yeah.
With the skeleton?
Yeah, that one with the skeleton. Ready? No. Lori, 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 Lori.
That's one way to utilize the tire.
There she goes. Ah, they're back there. Yeah, that purple one, that one right there, the blue one. He's got a flat. the purple one.
Yeah, purple.
There's just two cars racing on this one. 105 and 75.
What? 105?
And 75. Or 175.
If you like it, you guys, let it go! That's interesting.
Left her way behind.
Is this the last race? Oh, I thought it was.
Now I'm gonna tell you all, Walla, you just saw a clinic of how a lady gets around a dirt track as fast as you can.
It's about that time for the Demolition 30. And it's only going to be 3 trucks this year, huh? Only three cars in the demo.
If you guys that made this, that are watching it, I'm very mad at you.
Only 3 cars in the demo. But hey, it'll still be entertaining.
3 cars in the meadow? No way.
Yeah, it'll still be fun. They're getting it ready. Got the water truck out there. It'll still be fun.
Tony Redwall, in car number 49. Jack Eastman, and in car number 110 will be James Long. They're going to nose into a barrier, come to a complete stop. They can get any position out on the track they want to. They can nose in or back into a barrier. It's entirely up to them. Their choice. As soon as they come to a complete stop and I get the nod from our head flagman over there, you guys will help me count it down. Ladies and gentlemen, help me out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go, everybody, hit each other. Now keep in mind, as you're driving around here, sometimes you might think, well, where are they going? But sometimes they just can't see where they're going. off on that one. That was a really good call because we don't want any hitting in the driver's door. We want to avoid that driver's door hit at all possible. Now we're just promenading around here and doing circles a little bit. So from my vantage point here, that smaller car, pretty much the right front tire on a front wheel drive car and spun completely off of the rim. He doesn't have a whole lot of traction left. And it does look like they are hooked up. And they are on the clock. They're trying to get out of there.
How come they're stuck together? How can that be?
They crashed. Look how messed up the cars are.
Of course, they're supposed to crash.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like they're hooked up. Neither car is going to be able to move anymore. They're not going anywhere. We're going to go ahead and call this one. They can't move. They're hooked up. Those two cars are not going to get away from each other. Drivers, turn your engines off. They did the best they could have done. They just got stuck in a situation where now the car was going to be able to move.
After I'm done.
3 cars. They need some hitting for you, y'all.
I'll just take one big bite, then I'll show you, okay?
While we're taking a look at those cars, as we always do, to get an official notification on that. I'd like to take this time to mention to you again, Walla Fair Frontier Days. Got a lot of new things going on this year. Got bands on the Pepsi stage, Frog Hollow Band, Restless Heart, Blue Oyster Cult, Little Joel, La Familia. A big thank you to our court, our Walla Fair Frontier Days court, who are standing out there. Done a good job for us this evening. Again, at this time, we do not want to have anybody come out onto the track from the grandstands. If you are in the grandstands, we do not want people coming in on the track.
That's a tie.
So nobody won?
They both won.
Everybody's leaving.
It's over.
So officially, looks like we're going to consider this one a tie. Car number 110, James Long, and car number 96 of Tony Broadwell have agreed to declare this one a tie. District 4, thank you for everything you've done today. Our push truck drivers, been mentioning them all day. A lot of help from you guys.
Yeah, this is